what is the procedure of calculating the rating of distribution board? Selecting the distribution board म्हणू आपण जाऊ. You are calculating the total load, you are calculating the total current, and then as per the current in that particular sub-circuit for which you are using the distribution board, okay, you are selecting the distribution board by considering the highest value of the current in that circuit, okay?
Okay, sir.
Then similarly, serviceman. Selection of serviceman, either underground or either overhead, that depends upon the availability of system. If you have overhead distribution system, then you are having overhead serviceman. If you have underground distribution system, then you will have underground serviceman. And again, the conductor size used for serviceman, it is depending upon your total load, total connected load of your house. So you will calculate the total connected load first, then you will calculate the total current, then you will calculate the any factor of safety, and then you will decide the size of conductor that is to be used for the serviceman. So the reasons, these are the various requirements or reasons of the selection of the serviceman and distribution board. Another question is describe the factors governing selection of type of service connection. That is what also we have discussed. Factors कुठले कुठले आहेत? What are the different factors governing the selection of type of service connection? This question I will ask Jagdale. Prashant. Prashant Jagdale is there. Prashant Jagdale. काही जण आपल्याला विचारतात की काय या भीतीने तर लेफ्ट होत नाहीत ना. भाकर प्रश्न विचारला का काही जण लेफ्ट होतात. सुरभी मोहारे. मोहारे इज देयर. हाँ बोला. My question is, describe the factors governing the selection of service connection, type of service connection. कोणकोणते फॅक्टर्स आहेत? लवकर वेळ नाही वाया घालवायचा, बिलकुल वेळ वाया नाही घालवायचा. नसेल तर त्याची नोटिंग मी तसं करणार आहे. एस्पेशली मागे पण मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं अकोलकर आणि बालावर. आजच्या अटेंडन्स मध्ये बोलणाऱ्यांची जरा टिक मार्क करून द्या. न बोलणाऱ्यांची टिक मार्क करायची नाही. म्हणजे प्रश्न विचारला पण उत्तरच नाही सांगितलं तर कसं काय? बोला.
ओके सर.
काहीतरी बोलता येईल का नाही सुरभी? अगेन शी इज व्हेरी सिन्सिअर. मला परत सांगा वाटतं की शी इज ऑल्सो रायटिंग हर असाइनमेंट्स अँड प्रॅक्टिकल्स व्हेरी नाईस. आणि स्वतः लिहिलेलं असणार आहे 100%. कॉपी करून लिहिते असं पण नाही. फक्त बोलण्यासाठी काही जणांना प्रॉब्लेम्स आहे. दे आर नॉट एबल टू प्रेझेंट. प्रेझेंटेशन असं पाहिजे की सरांना प्रश्न विचारला पाहिजे, पडला पाहिजे की कोणाला विचारावं. आणि अगदी अप टू डेट. म्हणजे काही काही विद्यार्थी रिअली अप्रिशिएबल की दे आर डुईंग व्हेरी वेल. म्हणजे व्यवस्थित ते करत आहे. फक्त थोडंसं मन लावून केलं की डेफिनेटली यू विल हॅव. म्हणजे आता एक परवा प्रॉब्लेम झाला माहिती आहे तुम्हाला. यू माइट बी नोईंग दिस. जो क्वेश्चन नॉर्मली आय यूज टू आस्क Describe the factors governing the selection of type of service connection. काय which factors are there? कुठले factors आहेत? Number 1.
Sir,
हा बोला बोला. Very good.
sir, main factor is our requirement. We want three-phase or single-phase, sir.
You start step by step. Very good. Whether you are you need,
Sir, if
whether you
we
are
require a three-phase connection for the three-phase appliances, we can connect to the service main to the three phases. And if we need a single-phase connection, sir, we can then connect to the one phase and then to the neutral with the neutral.
partially it is correct. Partially it is correct. अजून काय सांगता येईल? प्रश्न परत बघा. Describe the factors governing the selection of type of service connection. So type of service connection, there are two types of service connection. म्हणजे as far as the construction is concerned, म्हणजे underground आणि overhead. Okay. दुसरं, based on the supply, there are two types of service connection, single phase and three phase. म्हणजे हे चार पॅरामीटर झाले. कुठले? whether the requirement is single phase, whether the requirement is three phase, whether it is underground, whether it is overhead. Now whether it is underground or overhead, it is not in your custody. If you have available distribution system overhead, then your connection will be overhead service connection. If it is underground, then it will be underground. If you are in need of single phase service connection, if it is available single phase distribution, easily it is available. If you are in need of three phase service connection, if it is not available, then you have to apply for the special provision of three phase service connection. And if the distribution line three phase, either underground or overhead, if it is not available at your premises, at your point, then it is needed to erect. Okay, so these are the factors governing this. Then another thing is your distance. Your distance, the consumer premises from the available distribution line. Okay, if it is more than 50 meters, 50 meters is too long. Normally we used to say 30 meters. Then you have to do the provision of code, or you need to extend the available distribution line. So you have to apply. You cannot do this. That you have to apply to the service authority for extension of service connection, distribution line for your service connection. Okay. Then another. These are the major points. Then your connection, you are using, you are just a single house, you are having the building, based on that particularly you are having the service connection. Service connection, जर तुम्ही single house असेल तर you will have single meter service connection, you are having the service wire provided. If you are having the big complex, then you are having n number of meters provided. Then you are having 2-3 service connections coming, and there is a distribution to different meters. That is again the premises of supplier, not the owner. So many factors are there. Then if you have a building, then you will have a three-phase service connection, then distribution of load, balance loading. बॅलन्स लोडिंग जे तुम्ही आधीच्या डायग्राम मध्ये इथे बघितलेलं आहे. बॅलन्स लोडिंग हियर इन दिस पर्टिक्युलर डायग्राम मध्ये एक्सपेशली इट हॅज बीन शोन हियर. ओके, सिंगल फेज, थ्री फेज.
Okay. Yeah.
So these are the factors. Then distinguish between the underground and overhead service connection. हे तर एकदम सोपं आहे. कोण सांगेल? 2-3 पॉइंट सांगा, बाकीचे लिहा तुम्ही ऍटलिस्ट.
तर ओव्हरहेड म्हणजे ओव्हरहेड लाईनला आपण कसं बी टर्न देऊ शकतो सर, कसं आपण अंडरग्राऊंडला नाही देऊ शकत जागेवरती टर्न, किंवा मग आपल्याला ज्या साईडला
फर्स्ट थिंग इज ती कॉस्ट. ओव्हरहेड मध्ये तुमची कॉस्ट कमी असणार आहे, अंडरग्राउंड मध्ये कॉस्ट जास्त आहे. ओके. देन टाईप ऑफ कंडक्टर. हा बोला बोला.
तर ओव्हरहेड मध्ये सर मेंटेनन्स आपल्याला मेंटेनन्स कॉस्ट कमी बसते सर ओव्हरहेडची, म्हणजे आपण करू शकतो. तसं अंडरग्राऊंड मध्ये थोडं डिफिकल्ट जातं.
Maintenance is less in underground compared to overhead. Maintenance comes after installation. Don't make the confusion in between installation charges and maintenance charges. Maintenance it is after installation. काही ठराविक पिरियड नंतर येईल. पुढे
ओव्हरहेड मध्ये फॉल्ट डिटेक्शन इझी असतं आणि अंडरग्राउंड मध्ये फॉल्ट डिटेक्शन साठी स्पेशल टेस्ट रिक्वायर्ड असतो.
ओके, व्हेरी गुड व्हेरी गुड. ओव्हरहेड आणि अंडरग्राउंड मध्ये टेस्टिंग, especially overhead, you can have the supervision with open eyes regarding the fault, but in underground you have to find out the fault by special test. Okay.
Overhead is mainly used in populated area.
Overhead.
No sir, underground system.
Underground. Very good. Very good.
तर ओव्हरहेड टेलिकम्युनिकेशनच्या लाईनला अडल्ट म्हणतात.
That you have to see obstacle to the other communication systems. If it is there, then you have to do the another provision.
तर ओव्हरहेडचा लाईफ कमी असतो सर कम्पेअर टू द अंडरग्राऊंड.
Overhead.
तर लाईफ कमी असते सर ओव्हरहेड ऍज कम्पेअर टू द अंडरग्राऊंड लाईफ.
लाईट कमी असते म्हणजे
तर जीवनमान
लाईफ.
तर लाईफ
It is okay. Life it is okay. Life is less compared to underground. Difference is even more than double also. Okay. Then
And so losses due to the RLC parameters in the underground system are less as compared to the overhead system.
normally overhead service connections are provided in rural areas. Underground connections or service connections are provided in metro cities especially. Okay. Overhead system, कारण तिकडे overhead systemच नाही, not permitted. ग्रामीण मध्ये overhead system it is permitted. Okay. त्यामुळे overhead कनेक्शन तुम्ही तिकडे देऊ शकत नाही, अंडरग्राउंडच द्यावं लागेल तुम्हाला. ओव्हरहेड कनेक्शन मध्ये अदर फॅक्टर्स जे आहेत, अदर फॅक्टर्स, एन्व्हायरमेंटल पॅरामीटर्स, वारा, ऊन, पाऊस, it is exposed to the atmospheric conditions. Underground system is not exposed to the such conditions. So there are large number of chances of getting the failure in overhead connection compared to the underground. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So likewise you can write, you are having many parameters. Some of we have discussed. Then list the properties and important features of cable used for underground service connection. Properties of cable we have already discussed. Some points you can tell me. Properties of underground cable used for underground service connection.